Josiah, 4 months.
What are you doing?
He just learned how to make a fake cough.
What are you doing? You fake coughing? Do it again. Do it. Do it. Oh my God.
You're funny, Bobby. You're something else.
You know you get attention like that. Wow. You're smart.
He's learning us now. Bobby.
He's like, I want to do this. And you
Bobby,
guys converting.
you can't fake it no more because now we know.
Oh no. That's no bueno.
A little boy cry wolf. So by you doing that fake cough, you're actually getting your parents' attention.
Mommy
Yes?
jumps, right? I jump when you do that.
And it works. So you said, fuck it. It works.
Do it again.
Like that?
Wow, dude. You are amazing. You are amazing.
We love you still. Mwah. Do all the fake coughs you want. Still love you.